clean the airbrush right in the center here. Just take off this black part. This first nut can come off, and there's a needle in there, and it's very sharp, and if you bend the end, it will ruin the spray of your airbrush. So take real care when you're taking this out. Just wipe this down, use an airbrush cleaner or a little bit of alcohol, and then make sure that you have it lined back up carefully, and just insert it back in. And then put the nut back on, and then you can put this cap back on. Now, a word of caution. You want to make sure that this nut right here is snug, but don't take that out. If you remove that piece, the inside workings behind this little lever will come out, and they're almost impossible to put back in. And if you lose it, then the airbrush is no good. The one other place that you can clean is you can take off this very end when you've taken the needle out, and you can clean that and make sure there's no dried food coloring. Really, the best cleaning is prevention. As soon as you're done using your airbrush, run some airbrush cleaner through it 2 or 3 times, and then some hot water